Took me 4 years and losing thousands to finally understand my edge. And in this video, I am going to summarize it in just 4 simple steps that you need to take as you begin your week, review your trades and find your edge. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into the video. The first thing is have a strategy. Well, you can't be taking trades without a strategy. And talking of strategy, I have a course for the high of week, low of week strategy. So simple, but you having a strategy, then you can start taking trades. And that is the point of all this. Take at least 50 trades. So this is not going to be easy. Now, for me, I already have data. I've been trading for over 4 years. But if you're beginning, you need to find a strategy that aligns with your personality and trade it for around 12 weeks. Once you have the data, we want to go back to your results. And as you can see, this is just an example of how I take my trades, how I record my trades. I have I trade manually. I have categorized it in weekly, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and I also record it on a document, so on this Google Docs, where I can look at my setups visually. So this is what I recommend you do, so that in this second step we are looking at the winners. What do the winners have in common? So looking at, say for example, all the trades that you take, look at all the winners, find something in common about all those winners, and then create a hypothesis. Then modify your strategy to go out there again into the market to try and prove your theory. That is just the game of trading. Now, once you have your new hypothesis, you go back to the market and trade it again. Once you trade it again, then you come back again after. This time it won't need a lot of time and effort because you already have a general knowledge of where you are headed. Then you can come back again to the trades, look at your win ratio to lose ratio. Now you'll realize that you have reduced considerably the number of losses, and the big losses that you have are all about psychology now rather than the strategy itself. Once you have that, the next step, which is number 4, is rinse and repeat. You do this over and over and over again, and this is my process. So as you can see, I have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I do it in quarters. So after 3 months, I review all of my trades. I look at all my winners and all my losers, and I ask myself, what do all these winners have in common? Then from there on, I modify the strategy a little bit. I move on to the next quarter. And my goal is to make my strategy as efficient as possible, saving me more time, money, effort, and all the pain and headaches that trading comes with. Now, my course is free. If you don't have a strategy, or if you are willing to learn this strategy, I have created this course specifically for you. I also do a 12-week one-on-one coaching program. We do all the things that I talk in this video, plus already the edge is already there. So it's more about consistency and confidence in the markets and making money, of course. But if you are really interested in the one-on-one, you have to go through the course first, do the work yourself, and then you can contact me through Discord. Anyway, see you in the next video. Peace out.